Welcome back to part 3 of my Thailand adventure. Today we'll be making clay amulets from scratch, and also a little later on we will be dressing up in traditional Thai outfit, which was my favorite thing I've ever done in Thailand. I also can't wait to introduce to you to one of my favorite, if not my favorite person I have ever met in my entire life of travel, Mr. Froggy, who I will be introducing to you in a little bit. Hi you guys, how are you? Good morning. This is day 3's adventure, and today we are hanging out in the village as we have in the last couple of days, but we are actually going to make clay and learn how to make little Buddha statues with the locals here, and I'm super excited. We have just arrived into this family that have so many dogs. There's so many dogs. There's a rice field behind me. There's a doggy beside me. Yeah, and we're gonna be spending a couple hours here making clays, and I will show you guys how to do it in a couple of minutes. Let's get started. You explain like what this place is called?
Okay, this place called Ban Phra phim. Ban is mean house. Phra phim is mean amulet.
Okay.
So I'm going to introduce you to the master.
Okay.
Ajahn Kok. Ajahn is mean master. Okay. This is not only the house, but this is like a learning center.
Okay.
When we inside, before we start the activities, I would like to give information about him and his place.
Okay. Mr. Froggy comes from 6 generations of warriors, having an insane amount of survival skills beyond your imagination. This guy knows everything about nature and how to survive in the outdoors. It is mind-blowing. However, he decided to change his ancestry's path and started making clay amulets and different statues for a living, and teaches people from all around the world how to make clay amulets, and teaches them about the culture and different survival skills, such as how to make fire from scratch and how to survive in the great outdoors.
He's
He's gonna show us a magic trick. Okay. Okay, he's gonna do a magic trick. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So this sleeve stops you from bleeding. You just put it on a spot where you're hurt. Let me see. It's like magic. What? That's so cool. From a leaf. That's how they dye clothes. Show me again. Right now we are going to go get clay with him, with the other villagers. Camera crew's here. So I have the basket, and then the other guy has like the stick, and we are going right now to go get some clay and take it back to his house and learn how to make things with it. So very excited. I have animals on me. Hold on. Where? I have like yeah, they're like big. You can tell so much about a person just by looking at their eyes. I always believe that the eyes are the windows to the soul. And from the moment I met Mr. Froggy, it felt like I have known him my entire lives and many lives before that. He taught himself how to read and write in the last 2 years through the internet, but although language was at times a little bit of a barrier, I don't know, we just felt like we've known each other forever. It was one of those wildly experiences of travels. He literally amazed me at every drop of the day. I was with my jaw dropped at like his knowledge of life. It was so fascinating. I wish I had more time to spend with him. So we took the clay back home, molded it, and made little Buddha statues, amulets, which was an interesting process. And down below, under me, you can see some of the things that Mr. Froggy has created with his talents. After that, we enjoyed a beautiful, peaceful lunch that his wife had prepared for us. This is our beautiful lunch served for us. How cute, look, even the tissue, they're very eco-friendly. So they use banana leaves for everything. And I basically gave him an interview asking him so many things because he was so fascinating to me. So far today has been an amazing day. Yeah, it's been my favorite. I love our instructor. He's so sweet, so knowledgeable. I love this iced tea. In the village of Sukhothai, he's a very well-respected man and also known as a master. Because of his high level of survival skills, spiritual knowledge, and also for his beautiful pieces of art and the fact that he teaches people from all around the world amazing things.
No, you do it.
Come, no, it.
And that's how it was with me and Mr. Froggy. We felt like we've known each other our entire life. Something about the energy between us was just, I don't know, out of this world. Very soulful, very deep. I can't explain it. Although we finished with our curricular activities for that day a little bit early, Mr. Froggy insisted on showing us some of his favorite hideaway historical parts in the beautiful city of Sukhothai. Traveling can change you forever, and goodbyes are never easy. But it's these amazing people we meet along our journey that changes us forever, and the reason I'll never stop traveling. I wanted to say, I'm so sad. Traveling makes your life and breaks your heart. Like, sometimes I just meet the most wonderful, beautiful, magical souls, and I know I'm never gonna see them again. And they touch my heart and soul, and I feel so sad leaving them behind. I feel so sad knowing I'm never gonna see them again. I literally cried secretly for a few seconds as I watched that other guy that I was hanging out with all day leave. I feel like I'm about to cry again. No, I am. The video cut off on me, but now I'm like teary-eyed again. I sent him like good vibes and a good life. No, I'm gonna full-blown start crying. But it's really sad when you meet like amazing people and you know you're never gonna see them again. But they're the people that make, I don't know, the world special and magical, and I don't know. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Oh my god, I'm full-blown crying. I love you guys. Keep traveling and meeting amazing people. It's always good. It's like, it's happy and sad tears, right? Because it's like, I met someone special. So, I swear to god, I just saw the lizard. Anyways, I have a little bit of a break right now before we head out tonight. I'm gonna get to wear a traditional Thai outfit in a little bit, which I've been dreaming about since I was a kid, so hopefully I'll stop crying by then. I'm just so sad. He was such a good person. I can't handle it. So we are at this beautiful Thai market that's only here on Friday. I didn't know it was Friday until they told me 5 minutes ago, on Friday and Saturday. And then people go and they eat over there with the view and they watch the sunset. So that's what we're about to go do. And she's explaining to me all the translation for the food because we need some vegetarian dishes. So I'm about to wear traditional Thai wear and I'm so excited. I've wanted to do this for many years. Can't wait. So you guys, I am in traditional Thai outfit, like a princess, and he's in Thai outfit, and now I have a headpiece and I'm very excited about it. It literally took a whole crew to get me all set up, and I was actually getting dressed outdoors. Hi! I'm the new queen of Thailand. Everyone's gonna look at me and I'm gonna be extra embarrassed, but for now, this is amazing. And amazing it was. I was making one of my long-time childhood dreams come true. And it was the perfect end to a beautiful, emotional day and a long one. But I'm so grateful for this special day. The sun was setting faster than we actually realized, and we still had a bunch of things to shoot for the movie / commercial for the tourism board. Plus, I had to get some shots, so we didn't have time to make these beautiful flower floats, but someone hooked me up. There were also lots of people praising us and wanting to take pictures with us. The locals, they were just so proud. It was so beautiful and amazing as well. So the sun is setting now, and Uncle Bob made me this, and we are about to go float it onto the river. And I'm very excited. Make a blessing. That's Uncle Bob. Yeah. Say hi. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful spot. The sun has set, and we are off to go set these free and light them up with incense and candles. Uncle Bob and the rest of the crew here. I'm very excited. So we are headed to the location right now to go drop these off. I took off my head mask. I probably have lines on my forehead, but we are on our way. So we are about to turn these on and let them go in the water, these incense and candles, and the rest of the camera crew is coming, but it is beautiful here. Check it out. So we are about to go light these up. This has always been a dream of mine. Look at this view. Wow. What a freaking dream. And that's it. I made a little cute wish and floated it on the water. And that's it for video 3 of my Thailand Village Academy adventure. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and also check in soon for the next episode. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Kisses. Bye.